Hey, what's up, guys? Dennis here for Stick Mobility with Ray Bailey. Today we are going to show you guys the Dunphy Squat. It's going to really access proximal stability, so you get all that distal mobility, so you can drop down in that deep squat that you haven't been able to get into. So Ray's going to set up to his usual comfortable squat position, his standard position. The difference here is he is going to take the stick and he is going to anchor it to a point, into an anchor point above. So what he's going to do from this position is once he has that set, he's going to set his hands about belly button level or slightly below. All right. Once you're in this position, get used to just with the reaction when you start to push the stick up into that anchor point elevated above you. Once you've done that, you're going to feel this posterior chain really lock in. You're going to feel those feet really start to interact with the ground. Once you've gotten that feel, then you start to begin the actual process of squatting. So Ray's going to start to maintain that upward drive. He's pushing about 50-60% intensity. He's dropping all the way down. His feet are staying flat, so he's not rocking back on the heels. He's not lifting the toes. He's going to maintain that upward push as he starts to stand all the way up. He's going to squeeze the glutes and make sure he goes into that little tucked pelvis at the top to make sure he gets full hip extension. So he's going to do 2 more reps. As he's pushing, he's squeezing the elbows in, and that helps promote this extension of the thoracic spine. Make sure you're breathing while you do this. Don't hold your breath. We're not underwater, so we want to make sure oxygen is our friend. His toes are really grabbing the ground. You can start to intensify how hard you're pushing. You can start at 40-50% and then work your way up into a much more strength training base when you get in that 70-80% rate of perceived exertion. So that's the Dunphy squat. Play around with it a little bit. The brain is going to hold you back because it's going to feel weird if you haven't broken below parallel in quite some time. So you got to get this adjusted first. But once you get locked down, you get all that proximal stability, then you'll find that, wow, I can really drop into that deep squat, and I didn't think I could before. Stick mobility, movement made better.